Most people don't know this, but the OnlyFans industry has made over $20 billion in the last 3 years. Even the biggest creators are making over 10 million and some even $50 million a year. And their job is currently being replaced by AI. So in this 4-video series, you will learn exactly how to make your own AI influencer from scratch. So let me quickly walk you through all the steps that you're going to take. So to complete AI generation of your model, you first are going to make a portrait generation, which I will teach in this video, which is basically getting the first picture of your AI influencer and then making her from different angles. So then we can train an AI to make high quality images. So in the next one, we're going to face swap with other influencers. And in the third video, we're going to do LoRa training. Now don't worry, you don't need any technical experience. This is going to be very easily explained. You don't need no prior experience with computers, etc. And after we train our LoRa, we will be able to have a generator that can make pictures just like this. And the final step, we're going to learn how to do TikToks, which can easily help you blow up on social media. So let's get into the first step, portrait generation. So to do portrait generation, which is simply making a portrait of your AI girl and then making pictures of her from different angles. So to do that, all you have to do is go to our school community, which will be down below, and you will find the resources inside of this free course section. Now here you click on portrait generation and then click on run pod template. Now if you don't have an account, register with the link right here because you will also get some extra credits. So let's click on run pod template right here. Now after you click the link, simply select this right here and then go down below and select volume disk. Now if it is selected, you're fine, and click on deploy on demand. Now you need to wait 10 to 20 minutes for every file to download into this pod, so I'll be right back when it's downloaded. Okay, so now when you see ready right here, all you have to do is click on ComfyUI. Now here, go back to the free course under portrait generation and click on portraitgen.json and download this file. Now what you do with this file is you simply drag it right here onto ComfyUI. And now we have this simple workflow right here. Now I'll show you how to use it in a second. We take this prompt right here and we can go to ChatGPT. Then we simply paste this prompt into ChatGPT and click enter right here. Now you will be asked questions about what kind of girl you like. Now don't worry, you can change it later on by simply just telling AI to do it. So I'll just ignore these questions. I'll just say I want a blonde girl with blue eyes, a model type face. Okay, so now I'll take this and try out this prompt. You'll be given like a few prompts and you can try out all of them. Now also one thing, if you use the first prompt and you kind of like the girl but you're not sure, you can regenerate, because every time you regenerate it still generates a new face even if the prompt is the same. That's the thing, we only need one picture of a face that you like and we can move on to the next step. So now this. Now we don't really want pictures like this, we actually need those girls to be a little bit away from the screen. This probably happened because it says close-up selfie right here, so I'll just go ahead and try out the next prompt. Now as see, I got this picture and now I won't change the prompt and I'll click run again and it should be a different face every single time. And I see the face is different. Now like I said, if you don't like the prompt, you can go ahead and switch to another one. Now maybe if you don't like blondes anymore, you can say switch to brunette woman, switch to brunette woman and brown eyes, and ChatGPT will switch it to there. So I recommend sitting here and exploring until you find the face, because that's the face that you will be stuck with, at least for your first AI influencer journey. So make sure to get a high quality face, or at least a face that you think looks very good on a girl. Now these are too masculine for me, so I'll go ahead and switch to brunettes. Okay, so I just got this face, and just for the purpose of the video, I think I will choose this. I find her very attractive, and now all you have to do is right click right here and click on save image. Now after you save it, we can go ahead and close this, then go to my pods and click on stop right here, as well as terminate right here. And once you don't see your pod anymore, you have closed the pod and it's no longer charging you. So let's move on to the next step. Okay, so after we got our first image, all we have to do now is go to public endpoints right here and then go to Nano Banana 2. Now here we need to upload that picture, and now what we need to do is inside of school you will see these 6 prompts. So we'll go ahead and try them one by one. Okay, so we got a picture of her looking to the left, and we'll go ahead and download it. Then we can go ahead and proceed to the second prompt. Now what this does is simply we get our AI influencer from different angles, so then we can teach an AI to accurately produce pictures of our AI influencer. So we're basically going to get her from different angles, and that will make it more high quality. So just make sure to save these files inside the folder because we will need them in the next steps. So I'll go ahead and do them, and then I'll explain what we do next. Now it's a picture of her looking the other way. Now the third one, a picture of her looking down. Okay, so after you finished, you should have a full folder of pictures like this. And that's all you're going to need for the next step. Now in the next step, like I said, we're going to be getting reference images. So just click on the video right here on the screen and let's continue.